I'm out here at the church, about to run a little. Gonna keep it simple, stupid. Gonna go over to Amazon.
0 feet altitude. 100% battery.
Nice skyline. For real. Pause for 1 second just to fix the focus. It's pretty windy up there, that's why I'm just going to do this easy flight. Close enough. If it gets hung up in the wind, I can get it back. There you go.
297 feet altitude. 165 feet distance. 6 miles per hour. 97% battery.
A little wobbly at first. It's been doing that. Got a strong wind warning already. Day after everything in the northeast is flooded. Now my color balance isn't working.
299 feet altitude. 1,836 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 94% battery.
I just put a new video card in there. That's probably why. Pull the plug out for a second. Whoa. See if I can get it back.
Warning, disconnected.
No, I can't adjust the color balance.
299 feet altitude. 3,521 feet distance. 12 miles per hour. 90% battery.
Oh wait, it's set to automatic, isn't it? Still ain't doing nothing. Well, probably because it's already card's running, I can't change it. Alright, no big deal. It's on auto, so.
$299 feet altitude. 4,435 feet distance. 15 miles per hour. 85% battery.
Probably fighting the wind a little. When I render the video, I'll put a filter on it. Makes it look a little more contrast. Yeah, I had to change the video card, and I took off. I forgot to format it because I put in SanDisk Extreme, which is made to shoot at 4K. Because I noticed that I was using the Ultra, which is basically 1080p, what I was getting was a little choppiness when the drone would go sideways. When I would shoot sideways like this.
299 feet altitude. 5,300 feet distance. 16 miles per hour. 79% battery.
The card wasn't writing fast enough. So, the freaking cards are so cheap now. They used to be at 32 gig. They used to be 40, 50 bucks. Now you can get them for 10. And you got to make sure they're not counterfeit too. Which this one wasn't, because it comes with the real one comes with a guarantee and a serial number to use SanDisk repair utility software. I already have it installed, but that's how you know it ain't fake. Pretty awesome skyline behind me.
300 feet altitude. 3,957 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 74% battery.
All the boys are there. Think the parking lot's big enough? It'll never be full. One day a truck went the wrong way. He came down here instead of going where the trucks are supposed to go over there, and he hit one of them granite rocks and he got stuck. He's supposed to go this way. Past the Gestapo guard tower.
.300 feet altitude. 4,166 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 70% battery.
This lot isn't run by Amazon either. It's another company. It's a subdivision of Amazon, but it's not part of the warehouse. Guys that checking the vehicles. I think there's one of them little trucks, like tug trucks. I think I see one there. They're not full tractor trucks, I guess you call them. Just one there, that white one, I think.
299 feet altitude. 4,961 feet distance. 11 miles per hour. 65% battery.
And they tug everything around. If there's no room on the dock, or if it's not scheduled to be put on the dock, they park it, stage it where, in that area we just saw. And then when it's time, those guys in the shack get the little trucks and start moving the shit around. I had to order a wiper blade from my car. I got it from Amazon. I usually buy stuff like that because it's cheaper. It was a good price. A little wiper, windshield wiper, a 14-inch wiper blade for the back of my window of my car. It came in a box. It was almost
795 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 59% battery.
3 foot by 3 foot. It was huge. It's like. And I put it on Twitter. I said, oh, I guess they were out of the big boxes today. A lot of people were like laughing at that one. And someone from Amazon chimes in and says, oh, yeah, you can read about our recycle policy. Well, it's like, number one, you're not recycling shit. I am. Because I have the box now. What the fuck? And I said back to the guy who claims his name was David, it's okay, I used to work in the warehouse, I know the drill. He's like, oh, I'll pass that on, that information on for you. I'm like, don't do me any favors, I don't fucking care. Trying to avoid the top of the building because that makes
299 feet altitude, 4,881
the whole picture
feet
dark.
distance, 22 miles per hour, 54% battery.
Flying about 10 minutes, about halfway through. It's flying into the wind now. Which direction is the winds? Ooh, gusts 16 miles an hour out of the northwest. 6 mile an hour wind, it's more than that.
$298 feet altitude, 5,022 feet distance, 26 miles per hour, 49% battery.
Really thick clouds over there. Looks worse than it is. Just that I can't adjust the brightness.
$299 feet altitude, 3,758 feet distance, 24 miles per hour,
Yes, he's got the tailwind.
44% battery.
Well, at least there's no hawks when it's windy like this. First day in a long time I'm not wearing shorts. I got a sweatshirt on. Chilly. Temperature. Come on. 63. Last time I flew was 83 and humid.
299 feet altitude, 1,713 feet distance, 15 miles per hour, 39% battery.
Humid AAF. Speedway is pathetic. You got one car's an employee and then there's one customer there. Then you look at stewards. Oh, they're not that busy either, but usually that lot can be full and that lot will look just like that. I don't even know how they're staying open. That steward's right in the middle. So your cars are pulling in there.
299 feet altitude, 918 feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 34% battery.
That's the church. Police. That's where Sanford and Son lives. fucking junkyard.
(300 feet altitude, 1,856 feet distance, 23 miles per hour, 28% battery).
This area here is all sketchy. It's because there's fucking warning signs saying there's lead.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
It's like the dude's picking up his hay.
(300 feet altitude,
There he is.
185 feet distance). Warning, aircraft battery at 23%, 4 miles per hour, 23% battery. Mission ended.
Come to Papa.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
We'll scoot over there. Oh, he's drifting.
(-1 feet altitude, 77 feet distance, 1 miles per hour). Warning, aircraft battery at 19%, 19% battery.
Tried to go home. I'm like, no, we are home. Come to Papa.
Warning, aircraft battery at 15%.
Hello.
(-5 feet altitude, 16 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 13% battery). Warning, aircraft battery at 13%.
Okay, very good flight. So, we get back safely, that's all that matters. So, with that said, that's all I got. T-Dub is out.